Hello, my name is Alec. I am the technical manager at Quelfire, and in this video I wanted to shout about our brand new Shaftwall EI120 single side access details. What you might be asking is, what is a shaftwall? That's what this demo here is for. As you can see, it's a shaftwall that's an asymmetrical wall, which means on the shaft sides as such here, as you can see here, the single board would be on the inside of the stud-work. So when it's installed from one side only, the board is inside the stud-work, and on the other side is just the standard double layer or triple layer, in this case for the EI120 applications. So what new details have Quelfire brought out? So we've done some unique ones. So the first one is a three-sided head of wall aperture. And this detail can then be used in conjunction with our service penetration details. And we've got EI120 details for cable trays, ladders and baskets with cables 80mm or less outside diameter. We've got trunking, large trunking that you can see as well. Again, these can have cables 80mm or less outside diameter. We've got plastic pipes up to 160mm. We've got MLC pipes, that's your multi-layer composite pipe work, both uninsulated and insulated. We've got CPVC sprinkler pipes, and we've got insulated and uninsulated metal pipes. We've also got a very unique detail as well, which is for a socket box, which can use our putty pad in this wall system. If you want any of these details, check out the latest version of the QuelSelector or speak to our technical team at Quelfire. Thank you very much.